Hey bakers, are you tired of cheaply made beaters that flake and leave unwanted paint chips in your food? Upgrade your mixing game with the QAP Flat Beater, designed for durability and exceptional performance. This beater is specifically crafted for KitchenAid 5 Plus and 6-quart bowl lift mixers. Check out our compatibility list to confirm your model. Made from a single piece of robust stainless steel, it can handle even the heaviest doughs and batters. Plus, our signature hand-polished finish not only gleams beautifully, but also resists stains and corrosion. We've engineered it with 3 separate sections for faster, more even mixing, guaranteeing consistent results every time. It's also incredibly easy to clean. Simply hand wash or toss it in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Experience the QAP difference, where high-quality stainless steel meets a passion for baking. Happy baking!